this is your first time here, welcome. My name is Janisha, but you can call me Nisha like everyone else says. If you're returning, thanks for coming back. You already know how I feel about you. Today's video is going to be a Steve Madden unboxing. So I just got this earlier today. I did like cut the box open, but I didn't like take the item out. So I did cut it open, and it's in a Steve Madden box. Of course, it has "Thank you for shopping with us. We appreciate your business and hope you visit us soon." Blah blah blah. Has a SKU number, description, and I paid $79.95 for these shoes with tax $87.55. It comes in this Steve Madden box, just a simple brown box, and the name of these shoes are Marina, and I got them in a size 9. I did try these on in store, but I did want to pay with Afterpay. So, and with Steve Madden Afterpay, you don't have to pay nothing down the first time. So that first day you get your order, you process your order, you don't have to pay $0 down. So the next 2 weeks I will pay my first initial payment and then the rest. So, which is really why I just wanted to do it, because I don't want to pay the whole money right then and there at Steve Madden. But anyway, y'all, first of all, let me tell y'all, I feel like these are Bottega dupes. Bottega Veneta. I'm gonna leave a picture on the screen of these shoes. Y'all, these shoes from Bottega are, I think, $1,270. Honey child, $1,270. They're called the Bottega Veneta, the board flat sandals. Literally on their website it says the board flat sandals. And tell me that these are not Bottega Veneta dupes. Tell me they're not. Tell me that they're not. Tell me that they're not. When I leave the picture on the screen, tell me that these are not. The only difference between those and these is that I'm looking at my phone in the picture. The bed of the shoe is like a nude color, and these are black. And I thought these had like the sole at the bottom, but no, they look like the same leather, same wrapped leather. The only difference I feel like is the bed. Oh my goodness. Yeah, tell me if you guys can tell me any more differences between the shoe. So these are both of the shoes together, and when I tried these on, oh my god, they fit so perfectly. But honey, I cannot show y'all my feet right now because the nail shop has not been open. So this leather is super soft. You do have to you know, put your feet in there. At first I was like, no, they're not gonna fit, but yeah, they actually do. You just have to kind of like stretch out the leather, but they're so cute. My friend said don't get these. It was kind of too late because I already had ordered them. She said they look like barbecue, Miss Barbecue Mama, getting ready to barbecue. And I said, on my trip we about to be barbecuing anyway. Anyway, so I might as well throw on my barbecue shoes. But these are so cute, and these were $80. Still kind of pricey for sandals. Okay, y'all, so I just noticed that I guess my camera cut off. I think it might have like overheated, and then I forgot to turn it back on and start recording again. So like I was saying, the shoes were still a little pricey, but it's Steve Madden. Y'all know how the prices work with them. But I do like the shoes. I actually love the shoes, and they had those in a couple of colors, so I will leave them all linked down in the description box. So make sure you Give this video a big thumbs up, comment, subscribe if you aren't already subscribed to this channel, and I will see you guys next time. Stay safe and stay connected. Bye.